Honey and ginger effects on sexual performance and sexual relations. Honey and ginger are two natural ingredients that have been traditionally used in many cultures to improve overall health and well-being. In recent years, scientific studies have become interested in examining the effects of these two ingredients on sexual performance and sexual relations. This article reviews the effects of honey and ginger and how they improve sexual performance. Honey. It is a natural product collected by bees from flower nectar. Honey contains a variety of nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that can have positive effects on sexual health. Increasing sexual ability. Honey is a natural stimulant for sexual desire and has been used since ancient times as a natural remedy to enhance sexual performance. Enhancing energy and endurance. Honey is rich in natural sugars such as fructose and glucose, which provide quick energy that helps increase physical and sexual endurance. High energy can contribute to improving sexual performance. Fertility. Some studies suggest that honey can improve fertility due to its antioxidant content that improves sperm quality and supports reproductive health. Improve mood. Honey contains compounds that may help improve mood and increase sexual desire, such as amino acids that contribute to the secretion of happiness hormones. Honey can be used as a substitute for sugar in cooking recipes and drinks. It can be added to tea, coffee, juices, and yogurt. In the morning on an empty stomach, eating a teaspoon of honey with a cup of warm water can help enhance digestion and stimulate the immune system. It also provides the body with the energy needed to start the day. Before bed, eating a teaspoon of honey before bed may help improve the quality of sleep. Honey is believed to enhance the production of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate the sleep cycle. Ginger. It is a plant root used in cooking and natural medicine. It has many properties that may positively affect sexual performance. Stress relief. Ginger can help relieve stress and anxiety, which may positively affect sexual performance. Increased testosterone production. Some studies suggest that ginger can increase testosterone levels, which plays a role in improving sexual desire and performance. Improve blood circulation. Ginger enhances blood flow thanks to its anti-inflammatory and blood circulation stimulating properties. Improved blood circulation can help increase libido and enhance performance. Increased libido. Studies have shown that ginger can help boost libido by improving sex hormone levels and increasing sexual activity. Ability to improve erection. Some research suggests that ginger can help improve erectile function by enhancing blood flow to the genitals. Mixing ginger and honey. Using honey and ginger together can have a synergistic effect. Combining the nourishing properties of honey with the stimulating properties of ginger can enhance overall sexual health. Drinks and supplements. Drinks containing honey and ginger, such as warm tea, can be consumed to improve sexual performance and increase libido. Food, including honey and ginger in your diet, can enhance overall and sexual health. You can add them to different dishes or use them as a natural remedy. When you feel a cold or sore throat, honey can be taken with ginger to relieve the symptoms of colds, coughs, and sore throats. It can be taken several times during the day as needed. Honey and ginger are two natural ingredients that can contribute to improving sexual performance and sexual relations. However, it is important to note that the effects may vary from person to person, and you should always consult your doctor before starting any new diet or supplement. Combining honey and ginger with a healthy diet and an active lifestyle can provide significant benefits for sexual health. To receive all the latest news, activate the bell button and subscribe.